This walk begins at the Mænnes. No, not a toilet. The Mænnes is an ancient Sussex woodland whose name comes from the Old English mænnes, meaning shared or common land. A short climb brings you to Bedham Church, a roofless 1880 church school now crumbling beautifully into the forest. It's a little quiet here, eerie. Perfect for a ghost story backdrop. Near Warren Barn, the route opens into what we think were barley fields. At Bognor Common, the track gets a little bit rougher and wilder. The Serpent Trail gave us an easy route back to Bedham, then through Hurst Court and Crimborne Lane back to the Mænnes Nature Reserve carpark. Thank you for watching this episode of Country Walks. If you'd like to know more about this walk and others, please go to countrywalks.co.uk.